daily English context. Talking about your family. Hello, and welcome back. I'm George. Today, we are talking about a wonderful topic, our families. We will share some simple, everyday English phrases you can use to talk about your own family.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jessica. Talking about family is so common in English. It is usually the first thing people ask about when you meet them. So, grab a cup of tea and let's practice together.
Let's start with a very useful word, a relative. A relative is simply a person who is part of your family. Your aunts, uncles, and cousins are all your relatives. Do you have many relatives, Jessica?
Yes, I do. Many of my relatives live in another city, so I only see them on holidays. What about you, George? Do your relatives live near you or far away?
Most of my relatives live quite close to my house. We see each other very often. Let's practice this useful word together. A relative. Can you say it with me? Relative.
Great job. Now, when we talk about all those relatives together, we use the phrase extended family. Your extended family includes everyone, your grandparents, your aunts, uncles, and cousins.
Exactly. We have a big dinner with our extended family every summer. It is always loud and fun. How about you? Does your extended family get together for big dinners?
Oh, yes. My extended family is very large. We need a huge table when we all eat together. Try saying that phrase with us. Extended family. Your turn. Extended family.
Very nice. Now, some people have big families, but others do not. For example, some people have no brothers or sisters at all. We call that person an only child.
That's right. I am an only child. So I spent a lot of time playing by myself when I was little. Being an only child is quite peaceful, actually.
That is very interesting, Jessica. I always wondered what being an only child was like. Let's ask our listeners to try this phrase. Only child. Can you repeat it? Only child.
Good work. Now, you are not an only child, George. I know you have a brother. Sometimes brothers and sisters fight, but two babies born on the same day are extra special. They are twins.
Yes, my cousins are twins, and they look exactly the same. It is very hard to tell them apart. Twins always share a very special bond from the day they are born.
I completely agree. I love seeing little twins dressed in matching clothes. It is just so cute. Let's practice this fun word together. Twins. Can you say it out loud? Twins.
Perfect. Now, as children get older, they change. The phrase we use is grow up. To grow up means to slowly become an adult. Where did you grow up, Jessica?
I grew up in a very small town by the ocean. It was wonderful. I want my children to grow up in a quiet, safe town just like that.
That sounds absolutely lovely. I grew up in a busy city, which was very different. Let's try saying this common phrase together. Grow up. Say it with me. Grow up.
Excellent. Now, when you grow up with siblings, you might fight sometimes, but hopefully you get along. To get along means to have a friendly relationship and not fight.
Yes, to get along. My brother and I get along very well now, but we fought a little as kids. Do you get along with all your cousins, Jessica?
Mostly. We really do get along very well most of the time. It is such a great phrase to know in English. Get along. Try saying it with us. Get along.
Well done. When you get along very well with someone, you are usually close to them. Being close to someone means you have a strong, warm, and loving relationship with them.
That is a beautiful way to explain it. I am very close to my mother, and we talk on the phone every single day. Who are you close to in your family, George?
I am very close to my younger brother. We share absolutely everything with each other. Let's practice this nice phrase. Close to. Can you repeat it for me? Close to.
Great job. Now, family members often share similar faces. We use the phrase look like for this. To look like someone means you have a similar face or appearance.
That is very true. People always say that I look like my mother. We have the exact same brown eyes. Who do you look like in your family, Jessica?
I definitely look like my grandmother. I have her nose and her warm smile. It is a very common English phrase. Look like. Try saying it with me. Look like.
Very nice. Now, what if you act like someone in your family? We say you take after them. To take after someone means to act or look like an older family member.
Yes, exactly. I take after my father because we both love reading books and drinking hot tea. We have the same calm personality. Who do you take after, George?
I definitely take after my grandfather. We both love being outside in the garden for hours. Let's practice this one together. Take after. Your turn to say it. Take after.
Wonderful. Finally, when you get married, you gain a whole new family. We call them your in-laws. Your in-laws are the parents and family members of your husband or wife.
That is a very important word to know. We are actually visiting my in-laws this weekend for a big Sunday lunch. My wonderful mother-in-law makes the absolute best roast chicken?
That sounds absolutely delicious, George. It is so nice when people really enjoy visiting their in-laws. Let's practice this final word today. In-laws. Please say it with me. In-laws.
Excellent work today. You learned 10 great ways to talk about family. Let's do a very quick review. Try to remember what each phrase means as we say it.
First, a relative is a family member. Your extended family includes grandparents and cousins. An only child has no siblings, and twins are born on the exact same day.
As children slowly grow up into adults, we hope they get along well and do not fight. If they share a warm, loving bond, they are close to each other.
If you share a similar face with someone, you look like them. If you share their habits, you take after them. Finally, your husband's or wife's family are your in-laws.
You did a truly fantastic job listening today. Now, we have a simple question for you. Who do you look like in your family? Tell us in the comments below.
Or maybe you take after someone else instead? We are so curious to hear all about your family. Writing a short comment is a great way to practice your new vocabulary.
We really love reading your comments. If this calm lesson helped you today, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Keep practicing your English, be kind to yourself, and have a truly wonderful day with your family. Goodbye.